Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. So today is just a simple day for me. I'm making breakfast, walk you through to how I make simple oatmeal porridge. So stay tuned for this video. If you know me, you know I really love porridge, and today I'm just making a simple oatmeal porridge, nothing extra, just the oatmeal and a little spice. I have in the pot three leaves of soursop leaves, so that might twist to this porridge because I use it to make tea. So I decided why not try it in my porridge. So we see how that works out. In here I have 1 cup of rolled oats, I have cinnamon powder, spoon of nutmeg, I have vanilla essence, and I have cashew milk. So the first thing I'll do now is to light the stove, let this boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So our soursop leaves, I'm using this as a replacement for cinnamon leaves that you normally use sometimes. And I added 1.5 cup of water to my oats. So I'm going to add it to the pot. And with all porridge recipes, you have to stir. As soon as you add the ingredients to the pot, keep on stirring. If you do not, then it will be very lumpy. So we stir continuously for about 3 minutes. So the porridge is currently thick, so I'm going to add some more liquid to it. So I'll add a cup of cashew milk and stir again. So I'm going to go ahead now and add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. So we just combine everything together. Let this cook for an additional 5 minutes. Then I'll just add the sugar to it and then I'll take it off. So I now add 1/4 cup of sugar. I don't like my porridge too sweet, so I'll not add too much sugar. So guys, I'll now pour it in my bowl, my porridge bowl, and I'm loving it. It's dark because the cashew milk is flavored with vanilla, so it's not as white and creamy because the milk that I use is darker. Simple oatmeal porridge, and I implore you to try it. This is very quick breakfast idea, full of fiber. So this is how you want to start your day, with food high in fiber. Stay tuned for my channel for more and more recipe, and if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and try it. Thank you for viewing, thank you for subscribing. See you on my next video.